Hey there, if you are in HR and you need to track your employees and what training courses they've completed, this spreadsheet is perfect for you. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel. I'll show you how it works. So what we want to do is put in the employee ID if there is one, and you'll want to put in their name. And here I'm just going to put in employee 1. And then this is the status of the training course. Is it not started? Is it in progress? Is it complete? What department do they work for? What's their job title? And what's the course name? So we're just going to say safety training. What is the day that they started the training? So we're just going to double click and choose the date. When's it due? So by the end of the year. And then what date did they complete it? Or you can highlight this, delete it, and then put in the date. If you have a link to the certificate of completion, you can put that here, or what file does it go in, and any notes, how do they need to complete part 2? Is there a set of courses that they need to complete? Did they complete it with the high scores? Whatever you want to put on the notes here. And then the cool thing is there's filters set up so that you can look to see what employee 1, what courses have they completed. So what we'll do is choose the little hamburger menu, click on that. We'll hit clear, and then we're going to scroll down and choose employee 1 and hit OK. And now we can see all of the courses that this employee has already completed, which is great. We can undo that by hitting Control Z to go back to the beginning. And then we can also see, okay, let's look at the training course for safety training and see which staff have already completed it. So training course, we're going to choose that menu, hit clear, and then we're going to find the safety training, hit OK. And now it's showing all the employee names of the ones that have completed it. So that way you can see, is it done? Is it not? And you can track this for any of the training courses that have to be completed. And you can track this for any of the courses that you have for your business. So if you have any other questions, let me know. This is a pretty easy sheet to use. It is available again at Google Sheets and Excel, and it's on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I do have a lot of other HR and employee type of spreadsheets that you can use for your business and for your workplace. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out, and I hope you guys have a great day.